Yeah. PODHD500 customer. We got it for the power problem. You can see it turns on when I wiggle the charger to one side. Goes off. Goes off. This pen is a little bit wiggling. It's not that much, but it is wiggling. Yeah, that's the pen over there. Usually there is a bad connection between the metal pen and this plate. So we're gonna scratch it a little bit, then we're gonna solder it.
We're going to need to scratch it.
And you can see this capacitor here. This looks bad. So we solder the metal pen to the plate because it was just like pressed to the metal plate, but it needs to be soldered now is better. Plus, the metal pen of this charger is the negative side. So usually the sound system devices, they have the metal pen is the negative side, not the positive side. Still. Okay, nice stuff. This plate here, as you can see, is a little bit down, so we can just lift it a little bit like that, up. So it's gonna make a good connection. Let's try again. It stay on.
Yep.
So it's fixed.
Not going on.
So try again. It's good.
Yep.
Fixed. So this is all. See you again.